welcome back to Festive Forever. This vlog is all about street food of Charni Road. Charni Road is a neighborhood in the south part of Mumbai. Many Gujarati and Maharashtrian people are staying in this part of South Bombay and सबको Charni Road station तो पता ही है. Charni Road railway station is closer to Girgaon Chowpatty and Marine Drive. Girgaon Chowpatty is right there behind me. उन सब चीजों से हमें कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. We are here to enjoy some delicious and crazy street food. So yeah, let's go. Let's first begin this vlog with a very popular place in Charni Road, that is Opera House Sev Khamni, also known as Sainath Roxy Snacks. Owner of this place gets his khamni all the way from Surat. It is considered to be one of the simple but the tastiest one. People like to enjoy their khamni in breakfast. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get one Sev Khamni for myself. So let's go. तो 20 रुपए में आपको मिल जाती है ये खम्नी, जो ऐसे पैक करके इन पेपर दे गिव इट. बेसिकली वी आर गोइंग टू ओपन इट. काफी ज्यादा लाइन है बट इट गेट्स ओवर इन 5 मिनट्स. लाइक विद इन 5 मिनट्स यू हैव योर खम्नी इन योर हैंड्स, लाइक सेव खम्नी. प्रैक्टिकली स्पीकिंग आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड खम्नी गाइज. मतलब मैंने एक भी बार लाइफ में खम्नी कभी खाई नहीं है. सो दिस इज माई फर्स्ट टाइम. आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर हाउ एम आई सपोज टू कंपेयर दिस, बट इन माई ओपिनियन इट इज सपोज टू बी ऑथेंटिक सिंस द the person who actually gets it is from Surat. So along with that you get this paper. Here is our khamni and here is our sev. That's how it becomes sev khamni. Along with that you get green chilies as well. अगर आपको green chilies ज़्यादा चाहिए तो आप ज़्यादा ले सकते हो. यहाँ पर हम थोड़ा सा डालेंगे सेव and we are going to take this. Sweet and spicy kind of combination. This is made from chana dal. There is lot of mustard seeds in that and 20 rupees के लिए आपको बहुत अच्छी quantity भी मिल जाती है. So overall I am very much satisfied with the results and yeah, it's super tasty and yummy. A must try. So next we have Fafda Jalebi and Kachori from Panchratna Jalebi House. Whenever I think about Fafda and Jalebi, the only person who occurs in my mind is Jethalal from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, who used to enjoy this breakfast on a Sunday, on a lazy Sunday, okay? So let's not talk about that. We are here to obviously enjoy the food. Panchratna Jalebi House, obviously the name only says that it's famous for jalebi and इनका फाफड़ा भी काफी ज़्यादा famous है. Now let's go ahead and first try the fafda. Fafda is made from gram flour. It's a fried thing. They also add some carom seeds and pepper. And we got this jalebi which is yellow in color. So I guess the jalebi should be good, and along with that you also get kachori. I'm not really a fan of kachori, but let's try. Fafda somewhere feels like, गाठिया only. मतलब जो गाठिया होता है, गाठिया तो छोटे छोटे मिलते हैं. So fafda is like this longer thing, very much similar. Forget about very much similar. It's the same thing. It's just that it's quite longer. That's the only difference I could figure out when I'm eating it. But otherwise taste is good. Carom seeds भर भर के डाले हैं. Carom seeds तो वैसे ही फाफड़ा या गाठिया में होते ही है. Going to try जलेबी. वाह, बहुत मीठी है भाई. It's very very sweet. The filling inside the kachori is super fresh guys. मतलब यहाँ पर मुझे ना कचौरी वैसे पसंद नहीं है because the filling that they add inside is not something I prefer, but this one is so soft and fresh. Obviously the texture is quite flaky. Right from the jalebi, right from the fafda to the kachori, it's simply divine. This is my third spot, Videshi Locha. Videshi Locha is also from the same family of Gujarati breakfast or Gujarati snack. Khaman dhokla, sev khamni and locha, all of these are of the same family. मैंने थोड़ा ओनर से पूछा कि इसे कैसे बनाते हैं, सो मोस्टली इट इज स्टीम. इसमें कैसा पानी का जो कंसिस्टेंसी होता है वो थोड़ा रिलेटिवली ज्यादा होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हेन यू ईट लोचा इट मेल्ट्स. सो या दिस इज समथिंग न्यू फॉर मी. अपेरेंटली मैंने कोई भी गुजराती स्नैक्स कभी ट्राई नहीं किए हैं. So it is a completely different experience for me and I'm kind of enjoying it. It is just near to the station, like Cherni Road station is just behind me. और उससे अगर आप 2 minutes walk करोगे, so on your right hand side, Videshi Locha is there. So let's go ahead and try this Videshi Locha. Let's go. This is butter garlic locha. Butter garlic locha, obviously it's made with butter and some onions, garlic, and then we have locha. You get normal one and then without onion garlic for Jain people and lots of varieties basically. Quantity also seems to be quite good. मैं सच्ची बोलूँ इतना अच्छा smell आ रहा है ना. I feel that this dish is going to be very tasty. Save and then some locha, some onion and chutney. And this masala that they have added, it's specifically made for locha because it's mixture of lot of spices like red chili powder, jeera powder, dhania powder. So all thing they add in this dish and then make it. Chutney के साथ I'm going to mix it and eat this. Wow. The chutney is superb और onion and सेव के साथ ये बहुत मतलब the taste is so good. The texture is very silky, smooth. The water consistency in this dish is relatively high as compared to sev khamni. Because of that, the texture is very smooth and silky. This dish is 11 on 10 for me because it's spicy. It got this onion, sev and chutney. The combination is fab. Superb. Guys, Gujarati breakfast बहुत हो गया. Now I wanted to eat something Maharashtrian. In my opinion, after vada pav, if Maharashtrian people like something, then that is definitely misal. And one of the famous place in Girgaon or Cherni Road to indulge into misal is Martan Mallar Misal. And it's a small joint again. इनके पास मिसल थाली भी मिलती है. You get misal thali with dahi, gulab jamun, curry, all those things. Basically a thali. But I am not opting for that. I am opting only for misal. Now here you get spicy misal, medium spicy misal and non-spicy misal. I have opted for medium spicy, but because according to the people who are with me, they are of the opinion that extremely spicy misal is too much to handle. I wanted to eat medium misal because I also wanted to enjoy the food. This is the bucket of misal that you get. It's a rasa. Maharashtrian में इसे रस्सा बोलते हैं, which is also called as curry. Along with that, you get these 2 pav. अभी मुझे इनका ये सेव देने का तरीका बहुत अच्छा लगा. I like, you know, how the farsan is given. There are some sprouts, some coriander leaves, farsan and masala bundi. Going to make our misal. Let's mix it. Onions. A 10 on 10 misal. Guys, इनका medium spicy beef बहुत ज़्यादा spicy है. So I would suggest that if you want to enjoy the spiciness, then go for medium misal. And इसमें तरी का बहुत अच्छा taste है. क्या मिसल है. कितना भी गुजराती खा लूँ, महाराष्ट्रियन लोगों को महाराष्ट्रियन खाना ही पसंद आता है. Now we are at Patil Juice Center. Now Patil Juice Center has a memory for me because it's very much closer to my office. Not really closer, but whenever I want to eat something like milkshakes or cream or vada pav, I definitely call from here. Butter vada pav, cheese vada pav, all these things you get here. And for some reason, I love their chutney. And because I love their chutney, I always go for this vada pav. look at the quantity of butter that they have added on the top. थोड़ी सी चटनी भी ऐसी डाली है. And if I open this, we have this hot vada pav. उसके नीचे चटनी डाली है सूखी and the spicy one. इनकी चटनी, इनका अमाउंट ऑफ बटर, सारी चीज़ें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है गाइज. मैंगो का सीजन है, so we had to call for one mango milkshake. So here we have Patil Juice Center. When I used to call it in office, you know, from here milkshake, they used to send literally double of it. This is your shake, some mango slices. Sweetness is apt. Our next place is Say Cheese. Obviously, the name screams cheese. But I have gone like out of the way and called for Manchurian roll. Actually, मुझे यहाँ के naan pockets try करने थे. They looked very tempting. Apparently, they serve naan pockets only after 5 PM. So I have opted for Manchurian roll. इन्होंने Manchurian की इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा quantity डाली, अलग-अलग sauces डाले. Base is made of wheat and all-purpose flour together. Let's see how's the taste. दिखने में तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा tempting लग रहा था बनते हुए, but let's figure out. Love the quantity of Szechuan sauce in this. This dish is literally or outright tangy. The Manchurian in this is not literally soft, but what I loved is the amount of Szechuan sauce or the amount of chutney that they have added. Because of the sauce and chutney, the taste is simply rocking. This is my last stop and it was just randomly decided. The way Farsan Mart is quite famous in Charni Road again. Basically, it's a Farsan Mart. You get every type of farsan, right from the chakli, kachori, wafers, khakra. All these things are very popular at this place. और इनका जो समोसा है, that is also like people say कि बहुत ही बढ़िया समोसा मिलता है. I have opted for one samosa. The size of the samosa is this. This is for 20 rupees, and इसके साथ you get this chutney. So I have taken the chutney and the samosa, and you won't believe कि मैंने 5 समोसा पार्सल भी लिया है फॉर माई हाउस. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि इसका समोसा कितना अच्छा है. सो लेट्स गो अहेड एंड ट्राई इट. 10 on 10 चटनी. चटनी इज स्पाइसी एंड टेस्टी. जैसा मुझे समोसा पसंद है ना, वैसे ही टाइप का है. देयर इज नथिंग दैट आई कैन कंप्लेन अबाउट. इट्स पाइपिंग हॉट एज वेल, मतलब गरम गरम तल के निकाला है. सो ओवरऑल आई लव दिस समोसा एंड डेफिनेटली 100% I will recommend it. Balanced flavor, balanced taste, oily but not oily. I have eaten almost half of it, so you can understand how tasty it is, and the chutney is super spicy. Too good. So guys, now it's time to rate my experience on my festive meetup. Right behind me is this opera house. अगर आपको पता नहीं है तो it is India's only surviving opera house. The foundation stone was laid during British Raj, that is in 1909, and by 1915 it was completed. In the beginning there were musical shows, entertainment shows, but later somewhere in 1970s and 80s, even Bollywood movies were shown in this opera or opera house. So yeah, it got a long history. Now let's get back to our ratings. I'm gonna keep it very simple because half of the places were 9 for me and half of the places were 10 for me. The places which were 9 were like Say Cheese and then Opera House, Save Khamni. These two places were 9 for me. Deshi Locha, Martand Misal and Panch Ratna Jalebi House. All these places were 10 for me. So very simple. All of them were pretty good. मैंने ना actually एक गलती की. I went to Mumbai Bites also. So I have seen lot of videos of Mumbai Bites on Instagram. So I was like maybe the place has something. But you know what? नहीं जाती ना तो मेरे पैसे बच जाते literally. So all of them are near the station and in like 1 or 2 minutes like walking distance you don't really need it. And if you're coming by car, just avoid it because there is no parking space there. You might have to park your car somewhere else and travel somewhere else. So my experience was fab. I enjoyed my day at Charni Road. Do visit these places, and when you do, let me know which place you loved it, which place you liked it, if we have the same opinion about the places. So yeah guys, considering all the factors, I'm gonna rate my experience 9 out of 10 on my Fresco meter. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on my Instagram, that is Festive Forever 4. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.